यो प्रशस्ति पत्र पठन गर्न लागिरहेकी छु। प्रशस्ति पत्र सेवामा श्रीमती प्रभा राई, दुमी गाउँ, आसनथाङ, नाम्ची, दक्षिण सिक्किम। महोदय, भाषा, साहित्य, कला र समाजको उत्थानको निम्ति तपाईले पुर्याउनु भएको योगदानले हाम्रो जाति र समाजलाई गौरवान्वित बनाएको छ। तपाईले समाजको महत्त्वपूर्ण पक्ष भाषा, साहित्य र कला पक्षको विकासमा गरिरहनु भएको महत् कार्यको निम्ति चिया कविता पुरस्कार 2024 ले सम्मानित गर्दछौँ। मिति 21 मई 2024, अन्तर्राष्ट्रिय चिया दिवस, गान्तोक, सिक्किम। चिया कविता सिक्किम। धन्यवाद।
खुसी लाग्यो मलाई।
तपाईहरुले यसरी स्वीकार गरिदिनु धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। मलाई चाहिँ अलिकति नेपालीमा बोल्नु मलाई अलिक त्यति साह्रो आउँदैन, किनभने अभाग्यवश अङ्ग्रेजी स्कुलमा पढेँ, अन्त आफ्नो भाषा पनि बोलिसकेँ। त्यो एक दुई शब्द म अङ्ग्रेजीमा बोल्दा केही खती त हुँदैन होला। यस्तो चिया कविताको
मस्ने तपाईले हाम्रै बोल्नु हुँदैछ नि त। प्लिज मात्रै हो खाली। हजुर, नेपाली पनि जाने।
So I'm really grateful and moved by this gesture. We've been working quietly since 2019 in a small village in Dumigao, because I've come back from wandering all over the place after a long time back to Sikkim, and I located myself in a small village, and I wanted to do something for our community. So I built a library because books are my closest friends, something that I feel very close to, and I thought that is what I could gift our community, the opportunity to read and have access to enormous amount of resources. But to my great sorrow and realization that we have very little reading culture, especially in villages, and our school children, especially in government schools, they lack the skills to read, and they suffer from great handicap because our medium of instruction is English. We don't speak the language, it's not our culture, and and the children who come from villages, they have no access to learn it properly, and in schools they are not given the the right instructions. So we realized that children from grade 1 till 8, we also have the system of just passing them. So when they come to grade 8, there's a lot of frustration, a lot of children drop out. And we have a huge, I think, a youth problem there, because our children cannot move forward, especially those who cannot afford private schools. So then we decided we'll work with अब कहाँदेखि सुरु गर्नु, माथिसम्मदेखि त सुरु सक्दैन, तलैदेखि सुरु गरौँ भनेर हामीले प्राइमेरी स्कुलबाट सुरु गऱ्यौँ। दुईटा स्कुल, सबै स्कुलतिर गएर टिचरहरू हेडमास्टरहरूसँग हामीले बातचित गऱ्यौँ। हाम्रोमा यस्तो रिसोर्सेस छ, यो चाहिँ कसरी तपाईँहरूको लागि सहयोग हुन्छ, कसरी हामी चाहिँ मेक इट रेलेभेन्ट टु यु भन्दाखेरि उहाँहरू पनि एकदमै उत्यो हुनुभयो, they were encouraging. Then we started something called Reading for Joy, because for reading for most children in government schools, maybe other schools also, is tests or examinations. So there's no joy in that, you know. So, and I was very, very lucky that I found a group of people, especially Reshma Thapa. I don't think she's made it yet. She leads this program called Reading for Joy, where we, employ a particular method in which we engage children right from the cover of the book till the end. And at every moment, every crucial point, they are asked to think, infer, come up with their own answers, and we say no answer is wrong. And there is a lot of, that is our flagship program. And from 2 schools, now we're working with 7 schools. Today, I wanted to bring one of our team members, but they have outreach program in 2 schools today, so I could not bring them with me. But they are the sort of vanguard. They're going and working in schools with children, and the children are very happy. So 2 visits to schools and 1 visit to the library, because we also want them to experience, the library atmosphere. So that's what we do. And along with that, we also have science program. We started with English. Now we have at last found a qualified Nepali teacher who is an MA in Nepali and a B.Ed, and she and the English teacher are working together simultaneously to promote both the languages, Nepali as our, Matribhasha, and English as a functional language. So that's what we're doing. And in addition to that, we also have a science program, which is supported by Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. And this science program has a particular aim, which is to break that fear of science. So it's hands-on. So again, it is, we have science kits, all that. And so our science, we also are very lucky we found a trained science teacher with a B.Ed who loves children and who likes to work with them. So that's also coming out nicely. But having said that, it is still an uphill task. We haven't reached anywhere. We still have a long way to go. Then we have our Sikkim Project website, in which we hope that it would be a platform for our scholars, our writers from our region. It's a bilingual one, so we wanted to make it accessible to Nepali readers as well as English readers. And to our great joy, that it reaches across the world. So we have readership from all over the world. So being on the website, being on the internet crosses barriers. So that is also very, very heartwarming. So we have that. What else do we have? Then we have the science program.
And in the library.
Oh yes, at the library. We have a huge collection, and we have at last found a trained librarian who is putting together, who is, because library information technology is now, will be very important for us, and library science is very important. So we have 3 people working, cataloging and organizing the library. So these are the main things that we're doing, and we can't say we have reached anything to receive such honor, but it is a great encouragement, and we will, with time, hope this will spread and we'll get more people, and people from the library is not only open to the children of Dumigao, people from it's open for everyone. So we also have a second Saturday art workshop where we have participants from all over, and we try to get interesting people. Once we had Smriti Masnit, the glaciologist, just after the GLOF, she came and talked to us about her studies and her experiences, and she gave us a lot of very valuable information. So it is a learning center. We have with us, and this is not possible without a solid team. It's a teamwork. Our reading program is also a teamwork. Our website, we have Mona and Vibhusha, and also our translator Tika Bhai, and I'm also there. But so this is a teamwork. Everything is a teamwork, and the library, everything. So we are trying to create a transparent organization where everybody is valued, everybody is, given the same respect. And I'm sorry that Reshma isn't here. She's the one who is actually training our teachers. So this is what is it. Thank you so much again. And this is what we are doing, and it is a beginning. And I hope more of you will come and visit our library and use the resources that we have there, because we do have tremendous resources. We have more than 5,000 books, and they're being classified, and hopefully they'll reach people who want to, and on all subjects, philosophy, science, political science, history, sociology, fiction, everything, poetry, everything. So please do come and visit us, and that would be great. Yeah, thank you so much again. We don't deserve it right now, but it is a great encouragement for us.